Section A.4 Other Tools. This section will present a series of helpful tools used throughout the book for performing specific tasks, such as security vulnerability scanning or HTTP interactions. Section A.4.1 HTTP. HTTP is a convenient command-line HTTP and API testing client, http.org. It's designed for humans and offers a superior user experience. Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions and more information on the tool. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?
As part of the installation, you'll get two tools you can use from your terminal window, HTTP and HTTPS. For example, you can send a GET request as follows.
See this code?
Section A.4.2 GRIPE. In the context of supply chain security, we use GRIPE to scan Java codebases and container images for vulnerabilities. See this link. The scanning happens locally on the machine where you run it, meaning that none of your files or artifacts are sent to an external service. That makes it a good fit for more regulated environments or air-gapped scenarios. Refer to the official documentation for more information. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?
The tool is not available for Windows yet. If you are a Windows user, I recommend taking advantage of the Windows subsystem for Linux 2, WSL2, and installing GRIPE there. For more information on WSL2, you can refer to the official documentation. See this link. Section A.4.3 Tilt. Tilt.dev, aims at providing a good developer experience when working on Kubernetes. It's an open-source tool that offers features for building, deploying, and managing containerized workloads in your local environment. Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions. See this link. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?
Section A.4.4 Octant. Octant.dev is an open-source developer-centric web interface for Kubernetes that lets you inspect a Kubernetes cluster and its applications. Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions, reference.octant.dev. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?
Section A.4.5 QBeval. QBeval, www.qbeval.com, is a convenient tool when you need to validate one or more Kubernetes configuration files. We'll use it in a deployment pipeline to ensure that all our Kubernetes manifests are properly formatted and compliant with the Kubernetes API. Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions, this link. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?
Section A.4.6 Native CLI. Knative is a Kubernetes-based platform to deploy and manage modern serverless workloads, knative.dev. The project provides a convenient CLI tool you can use to interact with Knative resources in a Kubernetes cluster. Refer to the official documentation for installation instructions. See this link. On macOS and Linux, you can install it with Homebrew as follows.
See this code?